4, Baba says this is
This
what
is
we are.
how we are as masters to our own children,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Right.
A parent is a master, isn't it?
Hmm.
Who the child takes in authority.
Hmm.
But beyond a point, you cannot do anything more,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Hmm.
And that's what I'm saying. Beyond a point, you have to leave everybody to their own self.
Right.
It's it's only when everybody does the hard yards, and everybody's journey is different.
Hmm.
Baba's just saying, Baba doesn't want to record this.
Just 1 minute, Baba. I'll pause it.
If a person is born in a rich, comfortable family and the quest for the soul is to gain or reach much higher spiritual level, then it may have to, in their next birth, they may have to take a lower birth in a poor family.
No, not necessarily. They can again take birth in an equivalent rich family.
Okay.
But what have they done in these 60, 80 years to get into that spiritual space? You understand? One is being very ritualistic, which I've always said is not the way to spirituality. One is being spiritual in a very different context. You got it? A novice will have to do a lot of more work spiritually for spiritual upliftment or elevation, right?
Progression.
And progression.
Yeah.
But one who's midway doesn't want to do it anymore.
So
Like
to
Baba is telling for me, he's just pointing at me and he's saying, Renuka always says, in my next birth, why should I study maths and geography again? Or any other subject. I've been studying it in so many births, but those impressions are completely lost. Right? So I have to start again because I have to be fit to be in this world. If I don't study maths or biology or geography or XYZ, I will not be professionally or occupationally fit, right? To move on for material progress. Got it?
Yeah.
Therefore, you have to start again. But on spiritual path, you don't have to start like that. On spiritual path, your soul is already loaded with that impression.
Okay.
And you begin from where you have stopped. So if you have stopped at, say, level 7 and you have to get to level 10, you'll only do the hard yards from 7 to 10.
Okay.
Because your impressions are already so strong on your soul. It has nothing to do with material fitment. But for material fitment, you have to start again. Isn't it? Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today, if you're not going to study artificial intelligence or you don't know how to use a smartphone, you'll be left out with so much more that a smartphone can actually do for you. Right? But it is no reflection of how you are moving spiritually. That's only a material gain and fitment. To be with the times, to go with the times, to flow with the times, right?
Yeah.
So you don't have to really go to the railway station and book your ticket. You can do it on an app. That's material fitment. Spiritual fitment, you can sit in the toilet like any must and be spiritually fit. Correct?
Yeah.
I was saying this is very important to understand of each other. You can still be born in a rich family and enjoy everything, but if you start at level 8 of spiritualism, you'll only build it from there. Mirabai build it from there. Got it?
Yeah.
If I can give an example, Baba saying. And there are many more such examples of great souls that keep coming back. Yogananda ji. All these great masters, Baba says, I have worked with. I may have not named them while we were contemporaries, but we always congregated. So we'll end this note on, when you come here next at a soul level, how loaded will your chariot be? Load your chariot and make it heavy with good impressions. There's nothing wrong with that. It will only bog your soul down. That is why I was saying chariot is a very good representation. Because you and I will both have to push the chariot, right? You will not be pushing it alone. I'm coming
To take it to the next world.
and that's why I will ask you, what are you coming with that you need my help to push it through?
So beautifully, Baba.
I
you
don't
have
need
put
to push it through. I'll just take you with me. We'll fly if you don't have that chariot full of garbage. Mind garbage, Baba saying basically. But if you don't have that at all, and if it's loaded with good impressions, I'll carry it for you.
Mhm.
I'll say, I'll carry it for you. You don't worry. You carried it very well in physical form. Now let me do it for you. Let me reward you by me carrying it for you. But if you bring that garbage, we both will have to try and carry it together. I'll not leave you alone because I'm responsible for carrying it with you, isn't it?
Mm.
I will also carry it with you, but how will we download it? Where are we going to shred that garbage? There'll be a lot of work to do together to the next birth and next stage.
To shred those ones.
And don't be under the impression that you will not have a next birth. So everything that you do from today, you only think how good you will make your next birth of knowing Baba. Baba saying.
Mm.
Baba saying my Mandali impressions, I told you two factors. One, they earned it,
Mhm.
and the other one was what I said?
The space was given to them.
One, they earned it
They earned it.
to be in that space, and the other one was their learning
They're learning.
to be with me,
Mm.
and Baba says they were so away from all that nothing could touch them when we went together from here.
Mm.
They all came on a clean sheet because they happily did the hard yards, right?
Mhm.
That was their learning space with me.
Mm.
So imagine when I'm saying 700 years from now, when I come again in some avataric form and you all will be with me. When I came as Meher Baba, all those souls were actually working to be in that inner circle.
Mm.
What I said was being in the inner circle. You remember?
Yeah.
So they had all worked in many births
Mm.
to be in that inner circle with me in this avataric age, right?
Mhm.
The next will be 700 years from now or whenever. So they earned it from they must have earned it from last 700 years, correct?
You're right.
To be as part of my mandali. And still go through the hard yards with me because all I was doing is wiping out their impressions.
Mhm.
So let's finish on this beautiful note and do all my 3 artis, and
Thank
that
you,
will
Baba.
take you through 2020.